This is a normal configuration for the fog lights on the Volvo 850. Here I'm going to change the double fog light switch to the single fog light switch to a double fog light switch. Here I'm going to show you what we need to do. First we need to remove the switches and disconnect the upper fog light switch, which is the rear fog light switch, and this plug is the one you'll use for the new switch. The wiring on the switch from the original switch is more or less same. We just need to swap 2 pins over from the yellow plug on the front fog light switch, which I think is pin 1 and pin 6. Here's the wires disconnected from the yellow plug and connected into the black plug, and now it should light up and should work. There we go, that's front on and rear on and just front. There we go, just a simple modification for the 850. I think you'll find these switches were on the American market, so possibly source eBay USA, and you should locate one of these. And I think they were also on the 960 as well. Thanks for watching.